Hello LKG kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So kids, we will start our section with GK subject. Okay, we will do some oral part in GK. So open your page number 7. This is your page number 7. Your chapter 4, My Classroom. Okay, today we will learn about the classroom. आपके पास भी आपकी classroom थी ना, जहाँ आप पढ़ाई करते थे, जहाँ मैम आपको पढ़ाती थी. So now I am going to tell you something about classroom. So in classroom, what things there will be? क्या क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए classroom में? First, teacher. The most important is teacher. Teacher is important to the class. Teacher नहीं होगी तो आपको पढ़ाएगा कौन? Okay, so teacher. Next is blackboard, in which we can write something. Blackboard जिसमें हम कुछ लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Next is duster. Next is chalk. Chalk from which we can write something on the board. जिससे हम बोर्ड में कुछ लिख सकते हैं. जैसे ये लिखा हुआ है ना. This is written by chalk. Okay. Next, duster. Duster from which we can erase the things which is written in the board. हम जिससे हम बोर्ड पे लिखी हुई चीज इरेज कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि आप अपनी कॉपी में इरेजर से इरेज करते हैं ना, तो बोर्ड में डस्टर से इरेज करते हैं. ओके ओके, सो डस्टर, दिस इज द डस्टर. दिस इज द इरेजर ऑफ बोर्ड. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज मैप, in which the states of India, cities of India mentioned here. Okay. Next is student desk. Which is the student desk here? Do you have your student desk in your class? Yes, I go to show you. This is your student desk. आप इसमें बैठते थे ना? Remember? Yes. Next is water bottle. Do you have your water bottle? Do you remember? आप बोलते थे ना, may I drink my water? Water bottle is also part of classroom. Next is school bag. Without school bag आप स्कूल नहीं आते थे ना. So do you have your school bag? Yes. Next is pencil. Pencil. This is the pencil from which you will write on your notebook. Okay. Next is books. Books is the main part. Okay, it is important to study. जो क्लासरूम में हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, बुक से ही तो करते हैं ना. So books. Next is students. If there is no students in the classroom, so home teacher will be teach. Teachers किसको teach करेंगे अगर students ही नहीं होंगे? So students are also important part of class. Teachers desk. आपको पता है ना, आपकी टीचर्स की भी डेस्क होती थी ना. सो दिस इज द टीचर्स डेस्क. एंड ग्लोब, इन विच वी कैन फाइंड द कंट्री, स्टेट्स एंड कॉन्टिनेंट्स, मेनी थिंग्स. ओके किड्स, सो दिस इज योर क्लासरूम. लर्न अबाउट योर क्लासरूम एंड ट्राई टू रिकॉग्नाइज द थिंग्स. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय. Now kids, it's time for our Hindi workbook and some written work. So let's start our written work in Hindi workbook and open your page number 11 and write your date 28/07/20. अब आपको बहुत सुंदर सुंदर लिखना है. Okay, what is this? This is E, बड़ी E. As you have done this, so you have to do it same here. Okay, one I am going to tell you how to write. The rest is you have to do by yourself. You have to write like standing line, make like a S and a small tail and a curve on top of sleeping line. This is sleeping line. Okay, so this way you have to do your whole page. Okay kids, do it. Now it's time for our English workbook, in which you have to open your page number 12. Okay. Now write your date 28/07/20. What you have to do today? You have to trace the small cursive O. You have already done in your notebook. So today we will do it in your workbook. O for owl, O for octopus. Okay. So now trace the letter O on the following lines. आपको इन following lines में trace करना है O. Okay. So you have to trace the O on the following lines. Let's start tracing. Slanting line, make like a C, up and a small tail. Slanting line, make like a C, up and a small tail. Okay, this way you have to trace all these O. You know very well that how to write O. Trace the letter O twins on the following lines. Now you have to trace the twins O, which is joined together. So trace like this. Don't tip your pencil while you are writing small cursives or capital cursives. Okay. This way you have to trace the whole lines. Next, last one is trace the long line of letter O on the following lines. Okay. Now you have to trace the long line O. Like this. This. Don't tip your pencil while you are writing this. Okay. This way you have to complete the whole line. Okay. So do it well. Do it neat and clean handwriting. Now it's time for our maths subject. Now it's time for our maths workbook. Okay. In which you have to open your page number 11. Okay. Now mention your date 28/07/20. What you will do today? Fill in the missing numbers in the boxes below. You have already done the fill in the missing numbers in your notebook. So it is very easy to write. First one is 2 to 22. What comes after 2 to 22? It's 2, 3, 23. What comes after 2, 3, 23? 2, 4, 24. What comes after 2, 4, 24? It is already written here. 25. Next line is 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. What comes after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. What comes after 2, 0, 20? 2, 1, 21. Next is 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. Next is 1, 5, 15. Here is 1, 6, 16. After 16, 17. After 17, 1, 8, 18. So kids, this way you have to do E, F, G, H, I, J by yourself. You know very well that how to do it because you have already done it in your notebook. So do it well, count and write. Thank you. Bye-bye.